1, 2, 3, everybody, yo, 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 what it is, what's up, it's your girl, Nikki Nix, coming to serve you love. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, nigga, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat. Today I'm here to be in tune with the graduation people. Shout out to you and congratulations. I am actually here to give you a very simple, easy peasy graduation makeup look that won't take you more than an hour, probably even less, for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, depending on how fast you really are. So let's get into the video. So I am super excited to actually be diving into the Try Beauty box for the month of April. I saw the advertisement of this box on their page and I was like, I wanna try it, I wanna try it now. Anyways, I'm also going to be diving into Shida, the Genesis eyeshadow palette. I am super excited to actually try this. Why? Because it's made by a fellow Nigerian girl like me. The thing that I'm really excited about is that in this Try Beauty box I got a new beauty blender. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender right now. Now that the skin is all juicy looking, it's time for me to show you the new foundation technique that I've been rolling with of late. It's nothing serious. I just feel like this is something that you can use if you're going to be outside the sun for a very long time. So it's actually not foundation I'm using, it's my concealer. Using my Fenty Beauty to create the deep tones in my skin and the multi-use sculpting concealer by Too Faced to actually create the highlights of my skin. The reason why I do this is that I noticed that concealer actually lasts way longer than foundation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this in a Jabberjantis format on my face, then go in with a foundation and mix everything in. Play with a deep tone. Play. I did this in one of my videos on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, y'all. We're doing big things over there. Please follow me, it means a whole lot to me. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel,
what is you doing?
Why is you doing it? That's one thing that I actually feel like we all need in our makeup box is this Cookie Cosmetics Transformix foundation mixer in the dewy form. The reason being that when I use this, I literally glow. I've noticed that before I was putting 2 drops. No, do the most. Do the most depending on your skin type, because the more you do, the more dewy you are. I'm gonna go in with my The Ordinary Coverage foundation in the shade 3.2R. I'm just gonna add this right here to help in the blendation of the foundation. And then I'm just gonna do one extra thing that I obviously don't need to do, but I'm not Adenike if I'm not extra, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use this Born This Way foundation in the shade Sable. I'm just using this to help the mix way easily. Oh my gosh. The fact that I used concealer really actually gives it a really full coverage. I'm gonna re-highlight my face, but I won't really need to highlight that much because I already have highlighted under my eyes. Cover those eye bags caused by the same school that is giving you the award right now. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Empty. What I'm gonna do with the powder, firstly focus that directly under my eyes to make sure that those bags and those cracks are perfectly trapped behind the powder and the concealer. Your graduation and convocation, it doesn't start in the time they say it will start. And before they even start calling your name, they would have sang some strange songs and shouted out some strange people that you've never heard. So all those time wasting before you get on stage and take your picture, your under eye could have cracked, and we don't want that trouble. So just follow my lead, okay? You may not to graduate, so Momo, I know something or two. I have insights. try one of the products that I got in my Try Beauty box, which is Rodial Glamour Brow Dark Ash Brown Eyebrow Pencil. I'm not really one to use eyebrow pencils. I prefer my deep brow pomade. I really miss you too, baby. It's not actually bad. Very, very naturalistic, which is very unlike me, but you know what? I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I think that this is better for people that have hair, because the areas where I don't have hair, it's not even as streamy. My god, I've never felt so bold in my brows before. It's so natural looking, I can't even take myself seriously. This brow is not even that bad, mix. You're the kind of person that doesn't want people. It has braked. Oh, now that I broke it, it's more intense actually. Okay, that makes sense. See, everything happens for a reason. No, don't throw things away because you think it's not working in your favor. Break it first and then try again. Extra, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that Granite shade just to intensify the end of the brow. Now it looks better. It still kind of looks natural, but it's way better. I'm entering this Shida, the Genesis palette. I believe it retails for 18 Canadian dollars. This is such an affordable palette for how bomb it actually is. I start off by going in with this deep burgundy shade. I'm gonna focus on the end by just patting this on. I'm actually dragging it at the end to give me a smoky wingation. Going in with this vibrant pink shade, I'm gonna apply that to the center of my lid. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going in with this deepy brown shimmery shade. I'm gonna apply that to the front part of my eyelid. And I'm gonna bring it slightly over the center part of my eyelid. This champagne shade right here is gonna be the final addition to my eyelid, which is going to perform its duties in my tear duct area. So I'm gonna finalize the eye look by going in with this intense pink shade right here. I'm just gonna slightly pat that onto the champagne that is on the center of my lid. I'm using my Inglot 77 gel liner to line my eyelid, but I'm doing this lineation in a different way. I'm just gonna do my wing. And then I'm gonna stop in the center of my eye. And I'm gonna draw a little bit of wing to the front of my eye. I'm using my Younger Beauty Attitude gel liner in the shade 02, which is their white shade. I'm gonna use that to line my waterline. Using this deep burgundy shade right here, so just focus that right here. So basically the area where the black part of your eye, is it pupil, whatever, the iris, something along those lines. This gray shade to deepen that burgundy that I just applied slightly. Like, I'm not doing anything much. You don't need to do this. It's wasabi that is just lifting me in this area. I'm going back in with that burgundy and I'm going to try to smoke out that gray a little bit to give it a more smoked out finish. Lashes that I have actually really been loving of late are the C lashes. Flirt. I had this in my eyelash video and I've honestly been obsessed with it. For your graduation, you need something like this. It's so pretty. Even if you don't have any eye look done, eyelashes that already give a pretty-esque finish is really, really a need for graduation day, because it will just zhuzh up your whole face. It will make you look like you did the most, even if what you did is tinted moisturizer and lip gloss. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm just gonna apply that this close to my tear duct area to add a bit of shine to my eye. And for the lips, I'm using this Bella Pierre Cosmetics 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. I'm using Cherry Pop, then Envy, then La Diva in the center of my lip. Okay, so I'm gonna have to reorganize my lipstick. I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm going in with concealer to brighten up the center of my lips. I'm going back into that Cherry Pop that really almost humiliated us. As this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply that in dotting motions just around to give this whole look a very pinky finish. You're graduating, you're gonna wake up really early and then get back home really late. You're gonna have to retouch your makeup, and something like this really comes in handy. This is the Balm Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. I'm gonna try this right now, and I'm just first of all gonna try it on my nose. Okay, it's pretty translucent actually. So for something like this, especially for those of us who would like to retouch our powder, or even set the original powder that we had on. Oh wow, it's actually translucent. I really like it, eh? So I'm gonna jump into the other thing that came with the Try Beauty box, which is the Balm Cosmetics, the Luminizer Sisters. This is so funny because it's Luminizers. Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, Betty Luminizer. Let's see what these Luminizer sisters have for us. They said guilty of being gorgeous. Yes, boo, arrest me too. Not yet though.
You better go back to your beauty.
It's not bad. Okay. It's not really even showing like that. It's like a matte soft highlight that is not for me. I'm going back to my baby, the Younger Beauty Kind Glow in the shade Yo Boy. Yes, we are done with this makeup patient. So I'm gonna go get my earrings together, fix my hair, and just come back looking cuter than I was before I left. Be back in 3, 2, 1, boom. Hi angels, beautiful graduates and special people that just love to watch me because I'm Nyx. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so happy that I was able to create something really simple, easy, fast doing, and glamorous for my beautiful angels graduating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you another time, and I say peace.